Let us see the objective part regarding environmental degradation. Right? Now observe the question given there. In India, cluster bean, guar, is traditionally used as a vegetable or animal feed. But recently, the cultivation of this has assumed significance. Which one of the following statements is correct in this context, it seems? Now, what is the correct statement there? The oil extracted from the seeds is used in manufacture of biodegradable plastics. No, this is not the statement regarding this context. The gum made from its seeds is used in extraction of shale gas. Yes, this is the concept that you have to learn. Now, this is your previous IES question, right? General question. Focus on the questions. Next one. What are the benefits of implementing integrated watershed development program? Right? What are the benefits there? Prevention of soil runoff. Yes, perfectly right. Linking the country's perennial rivers with seasonal rivers. No, this is not the concept. Now, rainwater harvesting and recharge of groundwater table. Yes, perfectly right. Regeneration of natural vegetation. Yes, perfectly right. So your answer is C. In India, the problem of soil erosion is associated with which of the following, and you are asked to find out the correct set, right? Select the correct problem of soil erosion associated with which of the following, it seems. So what are the options given there? Right now, terrace cultivation, no. Deforestation, yes, this is the reason for soil erosion. Tropical climate, no, this is not the reason. So your answer is B. Vultures, which used to be very common in Indian countryside some years ago, are rarely seen nowadays. This is attributed to. Now I have discussed this in detail in the video. Now what is the reason? A drug used by cattle owners for treating their diseased cattle. Yes, this is the reason. What is the drug? Diclofenac. Now we have seen the cases also neatly. Now this diclofenac, by biomagnification, what happens? It will be reaching to this cattle. Now when this cattle were died, their corpus was eaten by these vultures, and due to this eating of diclofenac studded carcass, vultures are suffering from diseases and their population is declining down, right? This is the reason. How does National Biodiversity Authority help in saving the Indian agriculture, and how it helps, right? Now, NBA checks the biopiracy and saves the indigenous and traditional genetic resources. Perfectly right, we have discussed this. NBA directly monitors and supervises the scientific research and genetic modification of crop plants. No, this is not the organization. Application for IPRs related to genetic biological resources cannot be made without the approval of NBA. Yes, this is perfectly right. So your answer is 1 and 3 only. 3 of the following criteria have contributed to the recognition of Western Ghats, Sri Lanka and Indo-Burma regions as hotspots of biodiversity. Right now, select the 3 of the above or the correct criteria in this context, it seems. Now what is the correct criteria? Species richness, yes. Vegetation density, yes, perfectly right. Endemism, no. Ethnobotanical importance, no. Threat perception, no. Adoption of flora and fauna to warm and humid conditions. Now these are the 3 conditions. So your option is A. Right. Come to the next one. The red data books published by IUCN and natural resources contain list of. Now we have discussed this in detail. Now by this you have to answer the questions. Now your options are: endemic plant and animal species present in biodiversity hotspots, wrong. Threatened plant and animal species, yes, perfectly right. Safeguarded sites for conservation of nature and resources in various countries? No. So your answer is only B. Right. Next question. With reference to soil conservation, consider the following practices. Which of the above are considered appropriate methods for soil conservation in India? It seems. Now, what are the appropriate methods? Crop rotation? Yes, perfectly right. Sand fences? Right. Terracing? Yes, right. Wind breaks? Yes, these are all right. So your options are 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Acid rain caused by which of the following air pollution? Now we have discussed this question n number of times, right? So your option is nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Now next, biomagnification means again the same basic question, right? Now increasing the amount of pesticides in the organisms at successive trophic level is nothing but called biomagnification. Your B option. Greenhouse gases are increased due to which of the following factors? It seems. Now which of the following factors? Let me know the answer. Jhum cultivation? Yes, perfectly right. Now see here, I have discussed about this cultivation in the video. Go through the video. Burning of fossil fuels? Yes. Rise of cattle and dairy farming? Yes. Belching of ruminants release methane. Now this is nothing but your greenhouse gas. Fertilizer use? Yes. So all are perfectly right. Which of the following activities lead to desertification? Overgrazing of land? Yes, perfectly right. Mining activities? Yes, perfectly right. Unscientific irrigation? Yes, perfectly right. Uncontrolled exploitation of groundwater? No, this doesn't lead to desertification. So your answer is 1, 2 and 3. Right. Now next one. Which one of the following is the main cause of ecological imbalance in India? It seems. Now the main reason that we have discussed is deforestation. Now, this is the main cause. Right. One straight question you can easily answer. Which of the following is not an adverse effect of a dam on the ecology of the concerned area? Right. Not an adverse effect. You have to find out. Right. Now what's your option there? Observe there. Large tracts of forest areas are submerged. Now this is an adverse effect. Vast agricultural land in upstream areas destroyed. Yes, this is an adverse effect. There is provision for irrigation and water power production. This is not an adverse effect. This is an positive effect. So C is an correct option. Ecological balance in catchment areas disturbed. Yes, this is an adverse effect. So your option number C. Next one. Which one of the following is non-renewable sources? It seems. Now your easy option, right? Crude oil, natural gas and coal are the non-renewable sources. One easy picking. Now, consider the following statements related to environmental degradation and you are asked to find out the correct statements. Right. It is the disintegration of earth or deterioration of environment through consumption of assets. Perfectly right. Now land disturbance and overpopulation are the causes of environmental degradation. No, this is not the exact reason. So your answer will be only one. Which of the above statements are effects of environmental degradation? Effects of environmental degradation. Impact on human health? Yes. Are the effects right? Yes. Now ozone layer depletion? Yes, perfectly right. Now loss of biodiversity? Yes, perfectly right. So your options are 1, 2 and 3. Next one. Which of the following statements are not methods of soil conservation? Contour ploughing is a method, right? You are asked to find not methods, right? Is a method. Wind breaks is a method of soil conservation. Green manures is a method. Construction of dams, no, this is not a method, right? So your option number 4. So only C. Done. Next one. Which of the following are the causes of environmental degradation? One straight question, right? Answers. Rainfall, surface runoff and floods. Done. Correct. Industrial and mining activities. Done. Correct. Excess use of fertilizers. Done. Correct. So your options are 1, 2 and 3. Consider the following statements. Now you are asked to find out which are not the methods of conservation of forest. Now observe the question carefully. Not the methods, it seems. Right? Now what's your options there? Observe the things. Control over forest wear. Now this is a method. Construction of canals. Now this is not a method of conservation. So second one is the one of the option. Minimum wastage of forest and their products. This is a method to conserve. Reduction in commercialization of agriculture. Now this is not a method for conservation, right? So your option is 2 and 4. Am I right? Yes, perfectly right. Now next one. Consider the following statements. It means to meet the needs of the future without compromising the ability of present generations to meet their own needs. Economic development is also the component of sustainable development. Which of the above statements are correct about sustainable development, it seems? Now which is correct? Is correct about sustainable development. Now any option there? Now see here, both 1 and 2 are perfectly correct. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972 provides for various categories of protected areas. Consider the following. Right? Now which of the above categories are included in the act, it seems? Which of the following are included? Your national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, not biosphere reserves. Your tiger reserves are included. So your option is 1, 2, 4. Which one of the following statements is correct about municipal solid waste? Find out the correct answer, it seems. Now it is the waste from private homes, commercial establishments and institutions. Now your first statement is perfectly right. So your option is this. Thank you.